Well, that was cool. I just stopped at the Big Cypress, like, National Park Service Visitor Center. Got a map. Wasn't that interesting inside, but there was a little boardwalk, I guess, behind it, and saw a couple alligators out there. So, first alligators of the trip. Now, off to see more. Let's go. Well, I ended up driving straight through Everglades National Park, and I kind of wanted to explore around and stuff, but I saw a bunch of alligators from the road while I was driving. It's just, I mean, basically you need an airboat or something. You need to go by water to get anywhere and do anything there. There's not, it's a big, huge swamp. So I just kept pushing through and moving. Now I am currently on my way to the Keys. I don't know really where I'm gonna go. I don't really have a plan. It might involve some stealth camping, but I'm excited. We'll see how it goes. Sky has been so cool. Went through some crazy rain and storms. That's awesome. Check it out. Well, I've been driving for like hours and hours and hours, but I finally have made it here. Key West. I'm like 95% sure this is where I'm going to be staying. I'm going to be stealth camping tonight. There are like almost no overnight parking or anything around here, so yeah. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, this is where I'm at, and it's pretty freaking awesome. It's pretty awesome. Oh.
We can go right through here though, Lauren, if you want.
What are you doing up in a tree?
I'm gonna do that on mine. I already got the wheels. It's all blacked out. You know my car's all blacked out, right, man? Yeah, it's all done.
So my stealth camp operation was a success. Right on the beach, just like so awesome. Come on, does it get any better than that? I don't think so. Now I'm just walking down the beach. What an awesome experience. So literally I've been at the beach all day, or all morning. It's only 2:15 right now. This place is so nice. The water is warm. It's so refreshing. The sun is hot. There's a beautiful breeze. Such a nice day so far. So I just came back to the truck. I'm going to make a sandwich real quick, and then I think I'm going to drive around the island a little bit and see what else is around. I walked around quite a bit last night. A lot going on last night. There was a lot of people, so I'm gonna drive around and just see what everything looks like during the day. Are you kidding me? This is where I woke up this morning. I've been getting way too much sun, so I really covered up today. call you guys. I've been in Key West for 3 days now. I think today's day 3. And I was planning on leaving this morning, but it is just so unbelievably nice here. Now I could live right there. Wow. Well, I decided I'm gonna leave Key West, even though it's awesome here. Very few places that actually do not have a no overnight parking sign, so it fills up very, very quick. You gotta be ready for it. But yeah, so that's worked out pretty well. Stealth camp the last 3 nights here, and it's awesome. It's very, very cool here. I like just everyone's riding their bikes and mopeds and golf carts. There is a lot of car traffic, but it's just different here. I'm gonna check out some of the other islands and see what the rest of the Keys are about. Could yet to have found the best spot. It only seems to just be getting better and better, so yeah. On to the next beach, or wherever. Yeah, I don't know what I'm saying. Don't listen to me. To me, like driving straight into a storm. Beach I am at, I don't know what it's called, but I'm on Marathon Island, and I just found the perfect parking spot in the shade to make lunch. The breeze from it worked out great. So I'm gonna make some lunch, and then I'm gonna, I think, walk around, check this place out, and see what's around. I don't know if it is hot. There are a lot of people here. I don't know if I want to keep moving yet. found another beach. I still don't know what my plan is or what I'm going to do tonight, but I don't know if I want to leave the Keys or not. And the more I go up them, it seems like less and less places I'm going to be able to find a park. So I don't know. I don't know if I should keep going north and head back to mainland, or if I should head back to Key West. Or I don't know. I feel kind of stuck. What would you do if you were in my position? What a cool little trail. It's like right on the beach, and then there's like this wetland pond area. I have not seen any alligators yet in there, so don't worry. I don't want to turn a light on right now. I'm still in the Keys. A parking lot that I don't think you're supposed to stay at very late. So we will see how the night goes. There are some other cars kind of just scattered, just a couple scattered around the parking lot tonight, so I won't look like the oddball out. The nice thing I have going for me is I do have a couple obnoxious things on the roof, but I'm not like a bus or a big huge van, which can be stealthy but can also really stand out. And even like a truck with a camper in the back, or just any of those things like stand out. Hopefully we don't get bothered tonight stealth camping in the Keys. The last 3 nights have been successful in Key West. Yeah, I'll let you know how it goes. Wish me luck.